Welcome to Thinkroom at Kamak schools. Can you guess what a Thinkroom is? If your answer is no, I request you to watch this video till the end. A child's formative years starts at the age 2.5 and will last up to his age 11. It is the critical period for awakening human potential in a child. How and what a child learns in the formative years lasts a lifetime. The child's ability to learn, think, explore new ideas and thoughts is the maximum at this age. Let us see how Thinkrooms at Kamak schools function from KG to class 5. The KG curriculum is designed to pave way for learning through inquiry, learning in real-life context, learning through play, and learning through active exploration. In our Thinkrooms, we learn English as a language and not just as a subject. Our Thinkrooms offer a communicative and natural approach to learning English, almost like their own mother tongue. It develops key skills like listening, speaking, reading, writing, viewing, and visual representation. Math in our kindergarten's Thinkroom will not just teach your child to recite from 1 to 100, but your child will learn to count, understand greater than and lesser than, and much more. And what else will your child do in Thinkroom kindergarten? Our Thinkroom kindergarten gives importance to the child's physical development. It doesn't encourage any child to sit in one place from morning till evening. It allows the child to explore freehand drawing, coloring, and many others. Our Thinkrooms also teach certain social skills to your child, like taking turns, volunteering, sharing information, expressing likes and thoughts, listening to others, learning from one another, and so on. And most importantly, our Thinkrooms concentrate on developing your child's English language. So, a day in our Thinkroom kindergarten will involve the following: welcome time, learning experience time, time for free play, snack time, second language learning time, and some calm time too. Let us see how Thinkrooms in grades 2 to 5 function. The teaching-learning process in our Thinkrooms are aided with the help of studios and companion, which are more than just learning materials. We follow a questioning-based approach to learning in every lesson to help your child think on their own. Every studio, which is the textbook, is a unique space for free expression. It makes your child's thinking and learning visible. There are also values for life present in every lesson, every subject. We also offer round-the-year professional development for our teachers to ensure that they are well equipped with the latest teaching methodologies to give every child an engaging learning experience. The 4 facets of thinking activities in every lesson encourages the child to think independently, express their thoughts freely, and achieve learning outcomes set for the lesson. Assessment in our Thinkrooms are authentic and meaningful. The assessment systems here are stress-free, unannounced, and are designed to be truly for learning and not just of learning. Our assessments do not encourage learning to test. Instead, they encourage testing to learn. In our Thinkroom learning environment, we also have certain learning simulation kits, which serve as every child's third teacher in class. These kits are thoughtfully designed age-appropriate displays or learning ambience elements in the classroom that will engage the child in active exploration and discovery. We also have a dedicated trained school transformation expert assigned to our school to work our teachers and school management to ensure a very child-centric school system for your child. Our school is committed to the roadmap set by National Education Policy 2020. The National Education Policy 2020 recommendations that we are committed implementing in the current academic year are whole child development, meaningful technology to enhance learning, learning outcomes achievement, continuous training of teachers, and stress-free education for the child. We in Kamak believe in educating every child in a way that stimulates their mind and sets them on a path to awaken their human potential.